are no longer reliable due to land fragmentation, it is essential to undertake a revision survey across the entire state, following the model of Bharati project successfully implemented in Nizamabad district, sir. Again, I remember, sir, I was there in the house when late Rajshekhar Reddy Sahab had started this, sir. I remember him, sir. He was a very courageous man. That's why he took this initiative, sir. So we remember, sir. Sir, and with this, sir, I would like to make one demand, sir. And the demand is that, sir, we need to have a fresh survey of lands of the entire state, sir. That is very important, sir. Without having a new survey, new pictures, new boundaries and new identification, this issue will never resolve, sir. We have to see what was done in Nizamabad.
మీ ఫోన్ మరియు కెమెరాతో హై క్వాలిటీలో అది కూడా ప్రొఫెషనల్గా వీడియోస్ తీయడం ఎలాగో నేర్చుకుందాం అనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే ఫ్రీడమ్ యాప్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
If I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Then in Nizamabad, a committee was constituted and it was headed by today's Chief Secretary, madam, was heading then. So she has all the knowledge. We can ask her to give her suggestions and we can do that, sir. So the previous government announced to conduct a resurvey across the state at an estimate of 600 crores. Unfortunately, this commitment was not fulfilled, leaving the state with outdated and inaccurate land records, sir. The government of India, sir, I think the government also knows that. The government of India provides 100% funding for the modernization and updating of land records under the Digital India Records Modernization Program, DILRMP, sir. The state government should take full advantage of this opportunity to enhance and digitalize the land records and survey system, sir. To address the irregularities in the Dharani portal, I just heard the Honorable Minister Saab saying that a forensic audit of all transactions conducted on the platform will be carried out. For instance, sir, just giving an example, the gap area between Kundakal and Mokira village in Shankarpalli Mandal is one such case. Similar irregularities have been reported in Rangareddy, Medchal, Malkajgiri and other districts also, sir. These discrepancies must be thoroughly investigated to ensure transparency and accountability, sir. Sir, the deficiencies in Dharani, sir, section 4 and again of the 4, sir. The present provision makes the ROR in electronic form in Dharani portal under the 2020 Act as correct when it is read with section 11, sir. With section 11, sir. Sir, it is common knowledge and experience of the public in general that the ROR in electronic form under 2020 Act in Dharani portal is highly defective, sir. Below, I would mention, sir, some important reasons, sir. That the time allowed for LRUP in 2017 was not sufficient, sir. So the time allowed for uniform for big and small mandals due to extreme pressure for higher-ups, the Tehsildar did not even find time to check whether the changes made by VRO in the manual Pani are accordance with the order passed by him or her and whether any other authorized changes are made, sir. There was no supervision at all, sir, in Dharani. No supervision at all by higher authorities to test, check and quality of purification, updation. They were only worried of getting statistics from Tehsildar to send reports to higher up rather than test checking the changes being made, sir. After concluding LRUP on 31/12/2017, the Tehsildars continued to make several changes from 1/1/2018 to 28/10/2020 since 2020 Act came into force in 29/10/2020 in manual Panis, sir. Manual Panis and based on written application filed before then. As per instruction of government, the data in the updated manual Pani for the year 2021 was to be reported to Dharani platform created under the 2020 Act. While doing this very important data entry work also, there were neither any supervision nor sufficient time allowed due to extreme pressure to complete the data porting in Dharani platform, services of untrained and raw hands were outsourced, due to which there were many number of mistakes in the data portal, sir. Data portal, sir. Sir, as per, in some cases, sir, the data of available in all panis was ported in